Dear listener, learn English by listening. Here's a simple recipe for milk tea. Ingredients: 2 cups, 1 cup water, 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoons black tea leaves or 2 tea bags, 2-3 teaspoons sugar. Adjust to taste. Optional spices: 2-3 crushed cardamom pods, 1.5 inch piece of ginger grated. Instructions: bring the water to a boil in a saucepan. Add the tea leaves and any spices you are using. Simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. Pour in the milk and add the sugar. Bring the tea to a gentle boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 2-3 minutes. Strain the tea into cups. Serve hot. For a strong tea, simmer the tea leaves a little longer before adding the milk. For a creamier tea, use full fat milk.